Hey, hi there, and welcome to the weekly Tech News episode 1. My name is Abhishek, and without any further ado, let's get started. So, the first news here is that Apple iOS 14 beta shows that apps like TikTok are still spying on their clipboard. So, this issue was reported by one of the beta users, and here it is also said that he reported that issue to the Apple and hope that Apple might fix that in future updates. Then the next news is from the Google. So Google Cloud was partially out in US East Coast regions for 2 hours. So it was due to the power supply issue, because of which the Google Cloud service was been out for the 2 hours. Then the next news is from the OnePlus. So OnePlus posts that it has the open beta 5 and 15 out for the OnePlus 7 and 70 users. So OnePlus 7 and 70 series users will receive the open beta 5 and version 15. Then next news is from the Samsung. So it is seen that Samsung smartphones, the flagships ones, are also showing some of the ads which are related to the Samsung different products. So it was reported by one of the user that in his Galaxy Fold there were ads related to Samsung services. Then the next news is here that there are 25 Android apps which are seen that Facebook steals the logins and other credentials from there. So Google has removed such of the 25 malicious apps from the Play Store itself. Then here next news is from the Qualcomm. So Qualcomm new range of processors, the 4100 series, are coming soon for the watches, so smart watches. So Qualcomm is announcing the two new Wear processors today, which are the Snapdragon 4100 series for the Android Wear. The next news is from the Microsoft. So Microsoft next gen Xbox is reportedly going to be launched in the August. So for the gamers, it's a great news. Then the next news is again from the Microsoft. The Microsoft has released the new Windows file recovery tools. So if you want to recover data from your USB hard drives or the SSD, you can now use the Windows recovery tool. Then here again next news is from the Google. Google confirms that the Android nearby sharing feature is now in limited beta test, so soon it might be rolled out for other Android users too. The next news is from the LG. So LG's rollable smartphone is to be released in early next year. So this here in the news it says that the LG will be rolling the rollable screen smartphone in the next year. Then next news is from the Google, and it is some sad news that Google is now discontinuing the Pixel 3a and 3XL series. So now there will be no more Pixel 3a and 3XL in the markets, as Google has now discontinued that series. Then the next news is from the Vivo. So Vivo is set to launch its X50 series. So it's a globally launch, and in the third week of July the device is going to be launch. Then the next news is from the iQOO. So its Z1X device is confirmed and will be arriving with the Snapdragon 765G, and will be having the 120Hz display, and it is going to set to be launched on July 9th. So next news is from the Twitter, and in the Twitter now you will get to see the edit button. So now there will be option to edit the tweet which you have been tweeted after it has been posted. But there are some news that the Twitter has tweeted that you can have an edit button when everyone wears a mask. So let's see what Twitter does with it. Then the next and interesting news is from Instagram. So Instagram is will be releasing the TikTok competitor app, which is named as Reels. So its testing is currently ongoing in India. So let's see what Instagram will bring to the table. Then next news is regarding the popular search engine DuckDuckGo, which has been currently blocked in India for several reasons. So if you like today's video, then do give it a thumbs up, and also share with your friends and others, and do consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't. Till then, this is Abhishek signing off. You guys have a great day. Bye bye now.